Now let's say we got this rectangle and we want a stroke outline of this project. To do that, let's first zoom in and see. You can already see that there is already a stroke, very thin, but there is a black stroke. Up here you can see stroke, and there are all kind of options. Dashed line, you can see right now you got the dashed line. In this case we're just going to delete the dashed line and we're going to increase the stroke size right here by weights. Now you can see the stroke very easy and clearly. Up here, go to downwards pointing arrow, click on it, and you see click on none if you don't want any stroke to appear. And as you can see right now, there's no stroke anymore. This option is also available right here, where you can see both the outside color, the stroke, and the inside color of the object. Make sure that the stroke or fill, depending on what you want to change, is overlapping the other one, before changing the color to none.